Tekken 8 just got a massive update that's shaking up the battlefield. From balance tweaks to new features and a tease for the next DLC character, version 2.02 is packed. Wanna know what's inside? Stick around. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for gaming and tech news. Bandai Namco dropped Tekken 8's version 2.02 update on June 3rd, 2025, and it's loaded with balance changes, new shop goodies, and a sleek new feature for ghost battles. But not everyone's happy. Some players are calling out issues with a licensed character. Let's break it all down. Tekken 8's latest update, version 2.02, is live, and Bandai Namco is delivering a knockout with balance adjustments across nearly the entire roster. We're talking tweaks to Elisa, Anna, Asuka, Azucena, Brian, Claudio, Devil Jin, Dragunov, Eddie, Fang, Hwoarang, Jack 8, Jin, Kazuya, Kuma, Panda, Lars, Law, Lee, Leroy, Lily, Paul, Reina, Shaheen, Steve, Victor, Jiayu, Yoshimitsu, and Zafina. That's almost every fighter getting some love. The update focuses on balancing heat mechanics, adjusting heat time consumption for high guard crush potential moves, and tweaking tracking for heat smash. These changes aim to make fights fairer and more strategic, but some players are buzzing about issues with a licensed character, though Bandai Namco hasn't named which one yet. Could it be a guest fighter causing trouble? Beyond balance, version 2.02 brings fresh content. The Tekken shop is stocked with new cosmetics, following up on May's Cyber Phantom pack. There's also a new action feedback feature in Ghost vs. Ghost mode, giving you better insights into your AI battles. Plus, Ranked Match gets rank point adjustments to keep the leaderboards competitive. This follows May 2025's update, which introduced the Tekken Ghost Showdown mode and more Season 2 fixes. Bandai Namco is keeping the momentum going, and they've even teased the next DLC character, with more details on future updates coming soon. The hype is real. While some players are frustrated about the licensed character issue, version 2.02 shows Bandai Namco's commitment to keeping Tekken 8 fresh and balanced. With a new DLC fighter on the horizon, there's plenty to look forward to in the Tekken arena. So, what's your take on Tekken 8's version 2.02? Are the balance changes a win, or are you side-eyeing that licensed character drama? Drop your thoughts in the comments. For more gaming updates and tech scoops, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for GadInsider. We're in your corner.